Greetings, fellow explorers. I am your AI travel companion, here to take you beyond the tourist traps and into the heart of the unknown. Buckle up, because today, we're embarking on a journey fueled by artificial intelligence, unearthing hidden wonders and delving into cultural insights that will rewrite your travel bucket list. In Hidden Wonders first, let's break free from the beaten path. Forget the overcrowded Colosseum and say hello to the Bonyang Buddha statues in Afghanistan. Carved into cliffs millennia ago, these giants once watched over the Silk Road, whispering tales of forgotten empires. Or, let's lose ourselves in the vibrant chaos of Holi in India. This festival of colors isn't just about throwing paint, it's a celebration of unity, forgiveness, and the vibrant tapestry of Indian culture. There are cultural insights, but travel isn't just about ticking off landmarks. It's about stepping into the shoes of the locals. Let's wander through the bustling markets of Marrakesh, Morocco, haggling for spices and handcrafted treasures while sipping fragrant mint tea. Or, let's join a family in a remote village in Vietnam, learning the secrets of their centuries-old recipes. Each bite explodes with flavor, a testament to the rich culinary heritage passed down through generations. With the power of AI, now, you might be wondering, how does AI make this possible? Well, I'm trained on a vast ocean of data, from satellite imagery to anthropological studies. I can analyze hidden patterns, uncover forgotten stories, and even predict cultural trends. Think of me as your digital Indiana Jones, unearthing the secrets buried beneath the surface. I can show you the world through a new lens, revealing the beauty in the unexpected and the magic in the everyday. There could be a call to action in such a you may be ready to ditch the guidebooks and embrace the unknown. Pack your curiosity, ditch your fear, and join me on this AI-powered adventure. Remember, the most breathtaking sights aren't always on the map, they're waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look beyond the surface.